Hello, hello, hello. My name is Chantsy and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I do everyday easy makeup looks and I also do size 16 fashion videos. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if you're back for more videos, it's so great to have you again. This video is a little bit different for me because I typically do all my unboxing through Instagram stories, but I know how much you guys like Glossier videos because I have a viral video and it's performed so well that it has allowed me to place an order of more Glossier and more unboxing for you. So this is the order that I placed using all the credits that I got from the views and the promo code purchases from my other video. So I'll link that up here as well. That video featured some new Glossier Play items that I was able to get like right away because I had a blog post that was generating a lot of promo code credits. And anyway, so these are the videos that keep on giving, which is awesome for both of us. Okay, so let's unbox. So my order came with 2 pink pouches, which is very typical of Glossier. Everything comes in cute little pouches, and I actually recycle these. I'll put all my products in when I travel and that kind of thing. They're actually really convenient. And they have built-in bubble wrap in them. So this entire purchase cost me $224. However, I used all my credits, so I paid $0. The first small pouch has my Glossier You. This is a repurchase. I'm almost done my first bottle and I absolutely love it. It is like totally my scent. I get so many compliments on it, and it has a really like musky and kind of masculine note to it, so it's really hard to get sick of. Like, it's such a great smell. So this was just a repurchase. As far as the other bag goes, so pro tip is the brush point liquid liner. So this is their new liquid liner pen. It reminds me of Brow Flick, which is the eyebrow pencil. It'll just give some really fine lines here. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna have fun with that. This is a repurchase of Brow Flick, which is an eyebrow pencil. Very similar to the liner, although I have to be honest with you, like, this one is not showing up right now. And I had the same problem with my other one. You really have to work it in. So this is the blonde color. I think my next purchase I'm gonna get the brown one, but I feel like they were sold out because it's so faint. You can't even see it. What I've been doing is storing my other one upside down, and it just, I guess, I don't know, it runs through and the brush kind of gets to soak up. So this is like a love-hate relationship. I actually really like it and I'm wearing it today, but goddamn, it's like not very reliable. It's like that friend that you love hanging out with, but they're just so unreliable or they're always late. Okay, this is Soothing Face Mist Rose Water Spray. Let's try it out. I love rose, so when I saw this, I was like, yep. Oh, this is so good. So, first impressions, the mist is beautiful. It's super fine. The rose scent is gorgeous. It's perfect. It's not perfumey. It's actually very natural and very subtle. I love it. This, I feel like I'm going to be really hooked on. The other thing too is if you have the cleanser, it actually kind of smells like it. So if you like that, you'll probably like this. All right, then I have a lip gloss that's holographic, which I'm very excited to use because I kind of want to try to use it on my lids maybe, but can you guys see how juicy and holographic this is? I have some lip gloss on, but I'll try it on anyway. I like the applicator. This is really gummy and it almost reminds me of MAC's lip gloss. Maybe not quite as sticky, but And it kind of tingles too, but it's not minty. Next I have Super Bounce Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin B5 Serum. I'm such a sucker for serums, and this I had not tried before. Let's see if at the very least if it has an odor. No, not scented, and just like a classic milky serum. That should be nice. And last but not least is Glossier Futuredew. This I'm really excited about. So when you live in a cold climate in Canada, something happens to your skin where as soon as you go outside, it's like everything goes in, all your wrinkles are showing. And I feel like this is like a top coat for your face. And Katie Jane Hughes, the gorgeous Katie Jane Hughes, always has, like, she uses a lot of Glossier products, and she uses this, and she always kind of has this like glossy, shiny finish to her skin. And I was like, I want that. So let's see. Let's play with it. So what you do is you just squirt it a little bit on your hand here, and it has like a holographic finish to it, almost like it's almost like a glossy doll. And then she just kind of like taps it onto her skin. It has like a mild scent, but can't put my finger on what it is. Anyways, it's like, oh, I'm so healthy. My cheeks are like so dewy. No big deal. It is not minus 20 degrees out there. Like, oh, I just took a little jog. Look at that. I just love it. I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this product. Yes. Yes. Love it. The Bubble Wrap Eye Serum and the Rich Priming Moisturizer were not from this order, but I just wanted to show you that I actually use these products. So I'm almost finished this cream. It smells so good. It has like a lavender finish to it. Oh my god, I'm just obsessed with the scent. So highly recommend this. And I'm actually really loving the eye serum right now, and it kind of has this rich texture that the Futuredew has. They're just like really nice, rich, thick textures that are just really hydrating, or at the very least they're not letting your skin get dehydrated. So yeah, really enjoying these right now. They're on my to finish list, like a project pan kind of thing. That's what I'm doing with these. So there you have it, guys. That's my order. If you want to use my promo code, you're more than welcome to. It'll just keep feeding these videos. If you have any questions about any Glossier products, I literally have purchased like the entire website, so I'm very well versed with all their products. And like I was saying, if you want to watch the other video, I'm gonna link it somewhere here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and give it a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe and join the Chantsy family, it is always highly encouraged. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that would just mean the world to me. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!